Gĩcanjama kĩrigicĩirie gĩkuũ kĩa mwana ũyũ kĩrambĩrĩirie mũthenya wa ira thibitarĩ-inĩ ũyũ wa Nakuru Teaching and Referral gũkũ mũciĩ-inĩ wa Nakuru. Ũmũthĩ ũthuthuria wa mwĩrĩ wa mũrutwo ũyũ ũkĩonania arakuire kumana na thĩna wa kũhihia ũrĩa ũcũngagĩrĩrio nĩ kũmaka, guoya ona kana kũhahũka.
There was a circulatory failure, like the blood was not circulating well. Probably that is the reason why this child collapsed. From the history, it is very clean, and the child has accepted that he collapsed. The body has accepted.
Mwarimu mũnene wa thukuru ũyũ akĩhithuria mwana ũyũ ararĩ gatagatĩ-inĩ ka arutwo arĩa marahũngagwo mahũri igũrũ rĩa kũnegena kĩrathi.
They were in the class, and when they stood in front, he started questioning them one by one. Why were you outside? Why were you outside? Even before he reached the third person, the boy collapsed, and he was at the farthest end. Whether the person was subject to fear, fight, flight, I do not know. But you see, this can also cause such a rhythm. Ona kũhana ũguo thukuru ũyũ no rũgamĩrĩri waguo ũkĩrigicania igũrũ rĩgiĩ gũkorwo kuo kwa nathi thukuru-inĩ ũyũ ũngĩratangĩkĩire mwana ũyũ. Mũrũgamo wa mwarimu mũnene na mũikarĩri gĩtĩ wa bodi makĩaga gũthoma kuma bĩnji-inĩ ĩmwe.
We have a school nurse, but she was not present, unfortunately.
The teacher concentrated with dealing with the boy, going to the nurse, but even before going to the nurse, reaching the nurse sick bay, the deputy noted with a lot of concern that the boy was gasping for breath. Mothe kenda ikũmi nĩ atĩ famĩlĩ ĩrauga ĩrenda kĩhoto kĩa mwana wao.
When the father was called that kijana amesilai, he was taken into circles. He did not get clear information that this happened. The boy maybe was in class, the boy was playing in the field, and this is what happened. The only thing he was told, mtoto alifika akasilai. So we didn't understand the circumstances which before the boy collapsed. Or maybe that one is an answer that we wish to get from the school.
Whatever happened, I want to say, it can happen anywhere. People, children, collapse even at home. A school is just an environment where we all happen to be at one point. So the boy collapsed in the school.
Ngĩribotera Inooro TV kuma mũciĩ-inĩ wa Nakuru. Rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Robert wa Maina.